Welcome back to our channel, guys. So today video is all about interview. So we'll share some 10 tips with you how to give the interview, basically interview for the freshers. So let's move towards first point, that is resume. Resume should be very presentable. Interviewer should know what exactly in the resume. So you have to mention your qualification, if you have an experience, about your family background, about your hobby, you have to mention. Let's towards the next point, that is the confidence level. Yes, confidence. Second point is confidence level, where every interviewer check your communication skill, how positive you are towards your job. So it's include confidence level, guys. So you have to be very confident in the interview. We always say that first impression is always the last impression. So yes, you have to be very confident in the interview. Third point is English communication skills. Definitely that's matter, because हम कभी भी इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तो फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस शुड बी गो फॉर इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, बिकॉज आप इंटरव्यूज देते हो, इन द इंटरव्यू इफ इन केस यू स्टार्ट इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज देन यस देर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, यू डोंट नो इंग्लिश, सो देर वुड बी द 90% of rejection. Okay. Third point is formals. Yes, for the interview you have to wear formals. Company छोटी हो या बड़ी हो doesn't matter, but yes, you have to wear formals. It's represent you, it's represent your confidence level, it's represent how good you are in your skills too. Okay. Fifth point is you have to mention your qualification in your resume too. So yes, guys, if in case you completed graduation like in finance field, so definitely you have the knowledge of the finance, like stock market, about mutual funds. So do mention. It would be a star mark for you. It might be you got selected, HR को requirement ही stock market related ही process के लिए होगी. So yes, do mention your in brief education. या फिर कोई अपने एडिशनल कोर्सेज भी किए होंगे लाइक टैली, टाइपिंग, अदर कंप्यूटर कोर्सेज. सो यस, यू हैव टू मेंशन इटसेल्फ. इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट वन इज द हॉबी. यस, फॉर द हॉबी it's a catch. You can say if in case in your resume you are mentioning my hobby is reading books, but आपने कभी बुक्स रीडिंग की नहीं होगी, आपने कॉपी पेस्ट किया होगा रेज्यूमे, तो डेफिनेटली इन द इंटरव्यू आई आस्क, if in case you mention hobbies, that is the reading books, so let me know which book you recently read. So candidate के पास आंसर ही नहीं होता है उस क्वेश्चन का. Another point is my hobby is cooking. So if in case I'll ask, then tell me which dish you can cook well. ओके. सो इस टाइम पे आपका आंसर नहीं होगा. सो ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि आपने एक फेक रेज्यूमे बनाया है. सो इफ यू नो दैट यू नो अबाउट योर reading hobbies or else about cooking, so yes, you can mention it, but yes, you have to prepare accordingly. Let's towards the next point, that is research about the company. For example, आप बड़े बड़े कंपनीज में इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं एज एन फ्रेशर, सो डेफिनेटली कंपनी विल आस्क व्हाट यू नो अबाउट इट, what you know about our company, why should I hire you. So you have to know क्या है कंपनी का टर्नओवर, कितने एम्प्लॉयज काम करते हैं, उनका सीईओ कौन है, लास्ट 1 ईयर से कितना प्रॉफिट अर्न किया है, एम्प्लॉय ओरिएंटेड पॉलिसीज क्या है. सो प्लीज गूगल करके जाना या फिर रिसर्च करके जाना अबाउट द कंपनीज. ओके. लेट्स टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज about the you have to mention in your resume that is your strength and weaknesses. Okay. So if in case I'm a fresher, being a fresher, I'm going for the interview, so definitely I'll mention about my strength. My strength for a fresher, I'm a smart worker, I can grab things easily. So yes, interviewer सोचेगा कि if in case मैं इसको एक चांस भी दे दूंगा तो definitely वो fruitful ही रहेगा. So do mention your strength. Let's towards the next point, that is the do not sound robotic. Okay. So if in case आपने रट्टा मारा होगा तो डेफिनेटली आप रोबोटिक साउंड करोगे. सो डू प्रैक्टिस गाइस, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. सो आप मिरर के सामने खड़े होके आप इंटरव्यू प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दैट टू. Video थी for the freshers, definitely will come back for the experience. So do subscribe, like and share, guys. If in case you have any queries related to the interview, please let me know. I'm an HR with a reputed company. So if in case you're looking for a job, I'll share some requirements with you. Do share. If in case you're interested, my WhatsApp number is already with you. You can share a resume too. So accordingly, I'll get in touch with you and we'll go ahead. Thank you so much.